Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to use arrow to move icons into their designated spots. It's quite simple. For example, we have row 15 displayed on the screen. When that happens, look for the target icon in row 15. Keep clicking the next arrow until the target appears, then click submit. You'll need to repeat this about 5 times. Next, when the row 6 comes up, you'll be searching for an icon given in the screen. Keep clicking next arrow until you locate the correct icon. Once you find it, click submit. When row 5 comes up again, this time you'll be looking for a processor icon. Click through the arrow until the processor icon appears, then hit submit. After that, row 11 will pop up. Keep clicking the arrow to find the correct icon, and when you do, click submit. Repeat this process until you complete the test. When the row 19 appears again, keep clicking the next arrow until all the icons line up properly. And there we have it. We completed it all. This process is easy and shouldn't take long. And you might get multiple chances if needed. It's practically impossible to fail. Just keep submitting. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.